Hello and welcome to Are We Winning Yet? Edition, April 12th, Easter edition, and hopefully we actually have some good news. For the first time in almost 20 days, the hospitalization rate has dropped below 300. I think it was reported at 219. So I wanted to go ahead and get that out. Let's go right to the data, and hopefully this is a trend that will continue the next few days. Let's get right into the data. So here are the numbers: a little over 100,000 cases. That's actually a milestone. 27.6 for total hospitalized. The daily rate is around 219, which is actually good news. Yesterday, you can see it was 15. And actually the day before that, that's where we have some of these aberrations in data, which we do hopefully not get in the future. Take a look at expected mortality. You can see we're a little bit over the curve, but I think we're going to be hitting it, kind of catching up around the 18th. This is what the overall data, hospitalization data, looks like with the new data. You can see how significantly different it looks. Obviously, it's a small number, but it's also not filling it in. So it's relatively flat across the top. This is what it looked like yesterday, and you can see the big difference as far as the data. That was like around 1,500. And you can see how it backfilled and changed the entire picture. So as we go ahead and wrap up here, hopefully this is a continued sign of good news. Also, we'll know more today. So on the 13th, if that information comes in on hospitalization, we'll also continue to get a better picture. And the whole reason why we're talking about hospitalization, because that in fact is what's driving, that's what fuels the death rate. So right now, the model's predicting a little over 12,500 deaths in New York City. If that hospitalization rate drops below the 900 predicted this week and then 600 the week after, that number will actually come down, which hopefully will be more good news. So we'll go ahead and follow that as we go forward. So until then, signing off.